In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to average in Google Sheets using the average function. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data, and one of the most essential functions you can use is the average function to find the mean value of a range of numbers. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Sheets document. To do this, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. If you don't already have a document where you'd like to perform this function, you can easily create a new sheet from the home page. Once you have your document open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to select a cell where you want the average to appear. This might be any blank cell within your worksheet, depending on where you want to display your calculated average value. Simply click on the cell to select it, and you'll see that it's highlighted, indicating that it's ready for you to input a formula or data. Now comes the crucial part, typing in the formula. For this example, we'll calculate the average of a specific set of cells. Click on the selected cell and start typing the formula. It begins with an equal sign, which signals to Google Sheets that you're entering a formula. Then, type the word average, followed by an open parenthesis. Inside the parentheses, you'll specify the range of cells you want to average. Let's say we want to average the values from cells B3 to B6. In that case, you would write B3, B6 inside the parentheses. The formula should look like this: equal sign, average, B3, B6. This simple but powerful formula tells Google Sheets to take all the values in the specified range and calculate their average. Once you've entered your formula, it's time to execute it by simply pressing the Enter key. By doing so, Google Sheets will automatically compute the average of the numbers in the range you specified and display the result in the cell you initially selected. You should now see the average value appear, providing you with the information you need at a glance. And that's it. By carefully following these steps, you've successfully used the average function in Google Sheets. It's a straightforward, yet highly effective way to summarize your data and gain insights quickly. Remember, you can adjust the range of cells in the formula to suit your specific needs, allowing you to find averages in various parts of your dataset as required. Keep practicing, and you'll become more efficient at managing and analyzing your data with these powerful tools. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips and tricks in Google Sheets.